All right, so I'm going to do an unboxing of my Manifest Prosperity and Success cards that I had to order. I saw these online everywhere, so I decided to give them a try and order them. So they came today, and they came with these beautiful postcards. Aren't these pretty? So this is the first one. That's really pretty. The art and everything is just beautiful. And then on the back, it basically talks about all of the different things that she sells, including her personal power empowerment oracle cards, quality time activity cards, the busy babe planner, and then the manifestation prosperity affirmation cards. So that was one. And then this is the other art, which is so pretty. That is so pretty. That is talent. She's a talented young lady. And then on the back, it's a thank you card. Thank you so much. And it has all of her information as far as following her and where to contact her. So this is the box. I like the box. I like how it looks. I like that. So on the back, it has a brief description, tells you what's included. 44 affirmation cards with black foil edges, 6 blank cards. Ooh, for you to customize. Oh, I like that. Detail 183 page guidebook. Beautiful. So let's open. Alright, so this is how the box opens. The best is yet to come. Sorry, my camera stand is kind of like in my way. So this comes with the book, which is really, really good. Really nice and thick. I like that. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Can't wait to dive into these. I've really been waiting for these. The Postal Service has held this delivery up. No fault of hers, the author. And then these are the cards, guys. So let's see. I'm gonna come out of the frame for a little bit. So I love how, do y'all see these? Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. Cannot wait. So I own a lot of different tarot decks and oracle cards. Like I have like some type of obsession with them now. This is pretty. So this is, I'm gonna sit it down some so you can see. That is cute. So that's the first card. Then they have the pretty on the back. My success. Okay. The more I give, the more I receive. Motto I live by. So I'm just going to go through a few of the cards so you can see. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I'm going to give you the top 5. The best is yet to come. I like that. I like that. So this design is also the design that's on the front of the book. The best is yet to come. So I wanted these cards because I'm all about manifestation. I'm all about, you know, manifesting the life that you want. I'm a self-love coach, and what I coach is about basically loving yourself, and definitely I created a journal about manifestation. So I wanted these cards. As soon as I saw these cards, I just had to have them, had to get them, because they describe the purpose of what I want to do. So I'm going to also, I do tarot questions, and I pull oracle cards for myself. I do tarot questions for myself and for others. And I wanted to implement these cards in my coaching sessions. Also, I'm going to be starting my weekly post when it comes to like readings, oracle cards, tarot readings, etc., etc., etc. So I just wanted to show you the cards that I ordered. I have been waiting, anticipating these cards for like ever. So I'm so glad that they finally came. So glad that they're here, and I was able to show you guys. So just wanted to jump on quick video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll have plenty more content coming out. I am a new YouTuber, so I'm just getting myself up and running, but you'll definitely be getting more videos from me. My plan is to post at least 3 times a week. So yes, stay tuned for more fun. Have a good night. Love you guys.